Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the file is damaged and could not be repaired error when opening a PDF document. Several solutions can help. Fix one update or reinstall your PDF reader. Open the Acrobat Reader and hit the menu button. Then click on Help and choose Check for Updates. When a new update is available, click the Download and Install button. Fix to change security settings in Adobe. Open Acrobat Reader. Click Menu, and then choose Preference. Then click Security Enhanced on the sidebar. OK, go to Enhanced Security section and uncheck the Enable Enhanced Security option. Fix 3. Repair the PDF using online tools. Search one of the online PDF repair websites, such as ilovep.com. Then click the Select PDF File button and follow the instructions to complete the process. Fix for repair damaged PDF with Professional PDF Repair Tool. Navigate to iSenShare.com and find iSenShare's Repair Genius. iSenShare's Repair Genius is a professional PDF repair software that can restore corrupted PDF files to their normal state. Open the software and choose the File Repair option. Now, click the Add File button to upload PDF files into the software. Well, hit the Repair button to begin repairing process. In minutes, the repair completed prompt comes. Check the result and hit the OK button. At last, hit the Save button to store them locally. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.